This is how you quickly and easily add devices to Blaze using the auto scan feature. This function is available when your server and devices are on the same network. First, navigate to Settings, Devices, then click Add Devices, and finally, Auto Scan. Enter the device's username and password, then click Scan. If you select Save for future searches, you won't have to enter the credential information again for future scans. Once the scan is complete, select your desired devices from the list and click Add. You can monitor the progress in the status column. You'll now see all of your registered devices in the device list. When you add a multi-channel camera, all of its channels are registered at once and will be displayed sequentially under a single model name. You cannot select and register only a few of the channels.